Cusdy and with Cusdy Industries Incorporated. We're out of Olympia, Washington. I was a general contractor for about 15 years. During that time, I realized we were using about 6 different cutting devices on the market for our everyday framing and remodeling use. With that, I designed the straight flush saw. Right now it's set in a position where I could use it as a regular framing saw. However, I can pull this rip gate off, I can flip it over to become a rip gate instead of just a normal foot, allowing the user to make various lengths of rips for the plywood and whatever other materials they need. The straight flush saw is unique in many ways because we've studied the market and we found that 80% of circular saw injuries is when the user pins the lower guard back with a pencil or a wedge. For that, we designed a trigger actuated lower guard to where your user can control the guard. As soon as they let go of the saw, the guard goes back into place, keeping the user safe. Another unique feature about the straight flush is a removable dust cover. This allows the user to achieve a zero clearance cut, keeping the straight flush saw as the most versatile saw on the market. With 3 1/8 inch cut depth on the lower end, we can also bring the front deck in an upward position, landing us at 1 9/16 for a vertical plunge cut into a door butt or lower plate of the wall. The straight flush saw is designed to be 6-in-1 tools that we currently use on the market. We have a 65-degree bevel range as well as a -5-degree. So when the user is extracting a subfloor, that -5 keeps the entire top edge of the blade away from the wall by about 1/8 of an inch, keeping the drywall in its original condition, decreasing the amount of work necessary for the user. The straight flush saw also replaces your general undercut saw or jam saw. I can flip the front deck up, rotate the rear handle, and maintain absolute control and user safety by staying away from the blade, contrary to the other tools on the market. Whereas you have a router style undercut saw and you have to place your hand this close to the blade while retracting the lower guard. Having the handle control on the lower guard, I'm about 12 inches away, allowing me to maintain maximum leverage against the saw, maintaining a clean and professional cut with less user skill necessary. Straight flush saw also does all your standard depth cuts all the way to 0, as you can see, and carries an 8.5 inch blade that has proprietary technology on it. With the amount of offset of the blade, the user experiences a much straighter cut with less user control. The amount of the offset, I could go down an 8-foot sheet of plywood and maintain a very straight cut with minimal marking or user skill. The straight flush saw also has a lifetime warranty that stays with the saw. It's not something that the end user has to register online or maintain the receipt for. We know we built the saw. We stand behind our products, and we work with our distributors and suppliers to best suit our customers' needs. The final weight of the straight flush saw is 14 pounds 3 ounces, and we're starting to distribute at the end of the first quarter of 2016. Thank you very much.